tornado that was confirmed from yesterday. That tornado was confirmed just to the north and west of Osceola, Missouri, up in St. Clair County. It was an EF1 strength. The damage that it reported was snapping and uprooting trees. No buildings, no people injured or harmed, so that's some good news there. But it was an EF1 with 100-mile-per-hour winds. That path length was almost 2.5 miles long, and the actual width of the tornado was 200 yards. I've gotten a lot of great pictures from you guys on social media, so thanks for sharing them with me. This tree snapped in Republic, sent in by Jeffrey Breeze. We've also got this tree completely uprooted. It took the ground with it, some of that grass and the roots, and that one was in Lebanon. This picture also in Lebanon, and this one's my favorite. It's mammatus clouds. Mammatus clouds, I think, are just so cool. They're sometimes a precursor to storms. They're called mammatus because of the way they bubble. They look like the underbelly of a cow, right? The mammary glands. That's where the name comes from. But some really cool clouds there. And then we've got the shelf cloud from Heather Lewis, our own Heather Lewis. Incredible leading edge of that thunderstorm over in Sullivan, Missouri. Quiet on the radar right now. Dry and hot. We've got a heat advisory. And in fact, this afternoon, the heat advisory goes for the entire area through Saturday. This excessive heat warning that you see in the darker purple, this is in effect for areas to the north of I-44 for just Thursday, right? So this is through Thursday. The rest of the heat advisory for everyone Thursday through Saturday. The difference between the two is just a few degrees in that heat index. All around, it's going to be a really hot day. 93 right now in Springfield. It's 95 in Branson. We've got dew points over 70, which is having it feel very oppressively, excessively humid. Dew points over 70 are pretty high on the muggy meter, so you can see that on the map, just all those reds filling in. 104 is the real feel right now. It feels like 119 in Monette, and it feels like 103 in Branson. So in heat, this excessive, wear lightweight and light-colored clothes, drink lots of water. Check on the pets and elderly. They are susceptible to heat sickness, and look before you lock. Hot cars can be and have been deadly to children and pets. Temperatures overnight will stay pretty warm, only dropping to about 75 degrees. It's going to stay very warm on the overnight. We'll have mostly clear skies and quiet conditions. The thing we got to watch out for tomorrow is the storm complex that passes to our north and west, closer to St. Louis. We could get clipped by a storm or two for our eastern counties, really from Camdenton, Mountain Grove, and then to the east. Rolla probably has the best shot of getting in on a storm. If anything, it would be lightning and gusty winds that would be the hazard, and that would be earlier on tomorrow. And then we'll keep sunshine through the afternoon with temperatures in the middle and upper 90s, 97 for a high in Springfield. We'll feel well over 100. This is the feel-like forecast. You see everybody feeling those triple-digit heat indices tomorrow. The dome of heat and humidity, that high pressure, hangs around through the weekend. It starts to nudge to the east by Sunday, and that's where we'll feel relative relief, right? So middle 90s through Saturday. 91 on Sunday will be cooler, but again, still hot. 90 on Monday, and again, every day that heat index, especially through Saturday, over 100. 75 overnight, warm and humid with some mostly clear skies. 97 tomorrow. We've got that heat advisory in effect. It will feel closer to 110. Stay cool and stay hydrated. And 8 for the sunshine, but again, you're going to be pretty hot. We'll keep the heat and humidity through Saturday. Again, that heat advisory goes until Saturday. An isolated storm possible on Sunday.
Boy. All right. Hope you take those precautions of keeping yourself safe during this extreme heat.
That's right. How about